Hello. Now I'm going to talk about another AI image generating tool that is DALL EI. DALL 3. It is actually OpenAI state-of-art AI model that generate image from text prompts, especially complex type prompts. It can generate high quality, realistic, artistic images, and for pro users, it can also integrate directly with LLM like ChatGPT. So this is the interface of DALL-E. DALL-E, you can see that you can create image, you can enhance the image, you can get inspired from these templates, and they have also premium options. And their AI tools are like text to image. A text to image generator converts written description into visual image using AI, image to image that transfer actually image into enhanced or altered versions and using advanced machine learning algorithm. Also, it can use to upscale any image. It can edit the image as the editing tool, work as the editing tool. And there are some have frequently asked questions like what is this AI tool is free. It is a free website that provides a platform for accessing generating image for free in our free plan, and it allows you to generate AI powered images on the spot without you having to log in every time you need to generate. And how it works, like you can just log in to generate unique and high quality images. Users can just access the website, easily generate and download this generated image for their projects. Like they can use these products for their business purpose, or developers can also use this image, or somebody makes a logo, or somebody makes a like mock-up product mock-up. They can use just directly download generate this image and download it. Like if I have to give a complex prompt like these types, and then if I have to check this, it will create the form. But for these types, you have to first log in to these AI platforms. So if I have to go to login format, so for the AI generating image generating tool, I think this AI tool is also useful for any developers or any professional users. They can easily make this tool to generate image or generate image and video, and from this platform, the image we can generate is actually very enhanced, and it also very realistic types of image can be created. So these types of image you can use for your project work, and you can log into your products, and you can use this AI tool very easily. Thank you.